Hey Pirates, good morning. Real quick video to kind of get you going for today on the 15th of December. Hey, 10 days till Christmas. Our objective, we're still working on our big project, plan and conduct an investigation. Your project should gather evidence to compare physical or chemical properties. And again, you need to relate that property back to relative strength of forces between particles of the substance. Again, that's the whole point of your investigation. Year after year, students forget to do that third piece, or that's the piece that gets left off. So don't forget, super important in terms of the grade you'll get on that project. Zoom times, I'll open Zoom. It should be open all day. It does time out from an activity, and occasionally if that happens, just be patient. I will get an email that you tried, and I will get it right back up and going. Today, what you should do are bell work. You're going to create a slide. And today I want you to kind of define a characteristic property on your slide, and then kind of use your understanding of that to find the properties of a substance. So if you have an unknown liquid and you could determine its boiling point and melting point, those would be characteristic properties. They're unique to that substance. You could also measure and determine its density if you had a sample of it. So for example, we have studied water. We know water boils at 100. It freezes or melts at 0. It has a density of 1. These properties, these numbers, kind of give a fingerprint of the substance, allowing us to identify what it is. And so define characteristic property on the slide, and then pick a substance. I say maybe copper, but it could be any pure substance, and then Google it. And a substance like copper, you'll for sure find a melting point and a density. You may not find a boiling point because the temperature is so high, it's hard to determine. But still, the melting point and the density of copper kind of give you a fingerprint for, hey, this could be copper, especially if you add to it, it's a metal, it conducts electricity, it has a kind of a reddish color, reddish brown in color. When you put all those things together, you start to get kind of a signature that can be used to actually identify and be fairly confident, hey, this is the substance. And then submit your bell work for the day. Your projects. I linked the day one video here. If you are just starting, then you should watch that video. And if you're virtual, you'll be doing the virtual option. You should not just be starting. You're 3 days behind if you are. We are somewhere down here, the in-person students. They're performing their experiments, they're graphing, analyzing, and concluding, and then they're going back through their slideshow before they turn it in, kind of putting it right next to the scoring guide, editing it for improvement so they get as good a score as possible. Once again, if you have any questions, give me a call or jump on the Zoom. Hope you have a good day. Take care.